a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug, a hug.
Get your Jim Gilbert's Advantage. Full tank of gas, every vehicle, every time.
A friendship, 'cause that's our whole appeal.
At Wheels and Deals, our vehicles are the best in class serviced, so you can have worry-free driving for a long, long time.
We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car.
Our free nitrogen program helps with longer lasting tires and gives you better gas mileage. That's part of your Jim Gilbert's Advantage.
We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals.
Check out all the options and savings on these slightly used vehicles.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya.
All our vehicles come with a free Carfax report, the most trusted name in the automotive industry.
You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug, a friendship.
Our motor vehicle inspection guarantee is 200% above industry standard. The safety of your family is important to you and us.
Lulu, do you know that all our cars are professionally detailed? Yes, some people even say we have cleaner cars than new.
That's our whole appeal. We are Canada.
Hey Lulu, did you know that when you purchase a vehicle through Wheels and Deals, we'll provide you with free job loss protection through Walkaway? Lulu might not be excited, but you will be.
Huggable car dealer.
Everybody loves the singing Hanwell Bears. Yes, you get them too.
You find your car for a deal.
You know what everybody likes about Wheels and Deals? Everybody loves their birthday gift every year. Yes, they do. In the mail, they get a birthday gift every year. And don't forget about our 2-key guarantee. All our certified vehicles, 2 keys guaranteed.